Welcome back to another segment of Credit and Magic 36. Are you willing to invest 6 months to 9 months to restore and expand your credit? I ask this question because if you spent 5 years, 10 years, 15 years not being financially literate and not understanding credit and not understanding the importance of credit, will you commit 6 to 9 months? And if it takes longer, to rebuild, restore, and expand your credit? I suggest that you be willing to do this because everything is debt and involves credit. You cannot live on another level without credit. So you must begin to repair your credit.